today's lesson, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about geometric sequence. But what is a geometric sequence? A geometric sequence is a sequence whose succeeding term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a constant number called the common ratio. And it is denoted by small letter r. So sa madaling salita, makukuha natin ang mga susunod na term ng isang geometric sequence sa pamamagitan ng pag-multiply ng isang constant number. So, paano natin ma-identify kung ang given ay geometric or hindi? Let's have an example. So, let's say we have the sequence 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. Paano natin malalaman kung siya ay geometric or hindi? So, balikan natin ang definition ng geometric sequence na ang succeeding term ay makukuha sa pamamagitan ng pag-multiply ng constant number from the previous term. So, babalik rin natin yung process para ma-identify natin kung siya ay geometric sequence. I-divide natin yung succeeding term sa kanyang previous term. So, ganito po yung magiging example. We have 10, which is the term, and its previous term is 5. So, therefore, i-divide natin siya sa 5. And we have 20, divided by the previous term, 10. We have 40, divided by the previous term, 20. We have 80 divided by the previous term, 40. Then, malalaman natin kung siya ay geometric kapag ang naging sagot nila ay pare-parehas. Tignan natin. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 40 divided by 20 is 2. And 80 divided by 40 is 2. Since pare-parehas sila ng naging sagot, the common ratio is 2. And this sequence is a geometric sequence, specifically a finite geometric sequence. Dahil siya ay may last term. Another example, we have here the sequence 64, 32, 16, 8, and 4. So, same procedure kung ano yung ginawa natin sa una, ganito din ang gagawin natin dito. So, let us determine whether this sequence is geometric or not. So, we have here 32, and its previous term is 64. We have here 16, and the previous term is 32. We have here 8, the previous term is 16, and we have 4 as 8 as its previous term. Then, i-divide na natin isa-isa. So, we have 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and 1 over 2. Since pare-parehas silang 1 over 2, the common ratio is 1 over 2, and this is an example of a geometric sequence, specifically an infinite geometric sequence. So, ganun niyo po malalaman or ma-identify kung ang isang given ay geometric sequence. Okay, so continuing the discussion with the geometric sequence, so let us have this example. So we are asked to find the next three terms of the geometric sequence 2, 4, 8, and 16. Paano nga ba natin makukuha yung susunod na tatlong terms? So same procedure sa ginawa natin kanina, we need to identify first the common ratio para makuha natin yung mga susunod na term. So let's identify the common ratio by dividing the succeeding term to its previous term. So we have 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 4, and 16 divided by 8. So dividing the given, we have 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. So therefore, our common ratio is 2. Then, nakuha na natin yung common ratio, we can now proceed with getting the next three terms. Paano natin gagawin yun? So by definition, ang geometric sequence makukuha ang susunod na term kapag minultiply natin yung isang constant number sa previous term. So since we have here 2 as the first term, 4 as the second term, 8 as the third term, and 16 as the fourth term, we need to identify the next three term, which is a sub 5 or the fifth term, a sub 6 or the sixth term, and a sub 7 as the 7th term. So solving for the 5th term, we have the previous term 16 times 2, that is 32. We have a sub 6, 32 times 2, and that is 64. We have a sub 7 equals 64 times 2, and that is 128. So therefore, the next three terms of this sequence are 32, 64, and 128. And that is how you get the next terms of a geometric sequence.